Alexa, turn on living room. So just this one scene right here, just one command easily turns on all these things using my smart setup. Now this would usually take a lot of remotes or having your phone out, and it's just one way to condense things and make it much simpler. But whether you're new to this whole smart home thing or you are a seasoned veteran and you have many smart devices, one thing I definitely suggest is a Fire TV. Right now, the 4K version is on sale for $49. I think I just bought it the other day at Best Buy, and I believe I paid $69 for it. So it's $20 off, and it unleashes so much. Now, here are some demos, but what if you've lost your remote deep down in the couch? There's just so many different things and times and places. Maybe you jump up and you run to the bathroom, you're in the middle of watching a show, you come back, you realize you've left your remote in the bathroom. Play. No problem. So just like that, I was able to turn it on. Or whenever you're having movie night, you got your kid in your arms or your snacks and your popcorn and all of that, you can just simply say, Alexa, play, and having that Fire Stick TV will allow that. Or what if you got tiny little baby arms and you just can't reach the remote as much as you try? Just like that, Alexa even works for your children. They're gonna have to learn the commands, and my little girl is only 5 and she's a little bit hard to understand, but Alexa still hears her just fine. So it can pause and play, but that's not it. Here my TV is off. I don't know if it's just because I have a smart TV, so that may be required, but just check this out. Watch Better Call Saul.
Getting Better Call Saul from Fire TV.
Start over show. Fast forward 2 minutes. Show me backyard.
Okay.
Show me front.
Okay.
Set upstairs to 75.
The AC is set to 75.
Turn on back porch light. Set living room lights to 100%. Alexa, tell Harmony to turn on Xbox.
Okay.
Tell Harmony, turn on Watch Apple TV.
Okay.
Alexa, tell Harmony to turn on Workout.
Okay.
Alexa, tell Harmony to turn off Workout. So I hope my examples gave you an idea of ways that you can integrate Alexa into your home. It can be as simple as you want as just turning on or turning off a lamp with something like a $10 smart plug, or it can get very advanced as some of the options I have shown you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.